morning, guys. Today we are leaving Singapore after 1 week, changing the location. As many of you know, we are looking for a new home base, but we will coming back to Singapore for sure. And we never know, maybe actually we're gonna live in Singapore one day. But that's not what we travel, all our bags. And well, we have to check in. We have a flight today at 5:20, but we wanna show you a little bit of the Singapore airport because there's so much to do over here as well.
I would like to say thank you for those people who we met so far during 1 week in Singapore.
Exactly, guys. I would really like to say also thank you so much and see you later. That's the Terminal 1. Today we are flying to Kuala Lumpur by Scoot at 5:20, row number 6. And well, it's 26th of December. Looks pretty busy in the airport actually. Terminal 1. Currently in the airport, especially Changi airport in Singapore, you can check in your bags using the self kiosks. So you can do totally contactless. Sayan, are you brave enough to do this today like this?
I don't know, maybe we just go to the counter.
Okay, you can also go to the counter, there is no problem. But the queues are very long going to the counters in general. Honestly, guys, I don't remember when I was last time in Changi airport and was so busy like it's today. This is all the lines flying summer by Scoot, what we actually gonna use today. But overall, the airport is very busy today. Unbelievable. But Christmas times, special times in the year, right?
Okay, so actually that we do the self check-in.
So yeah, you wanna put 2 bags or one inside?
2 bags, please. Yeah.
Everything on the machine. I wanna try because the line is for 1 hour. You work smart in Singapore, okay? Not hard.
Yeah, like my friend said, a Singaporean friend said, in Singapore you have to work smart, not work physically hard. Oh, now you're already printing your boarding pass, right?
Yeah, boarding passes.
Okay.
Printing the bags. So cool.
Oh, very nice.
Alright, we arrived just to Jewel. We dropped our bags using the self-service kiosk, but we still had to go to assistant's desk because I don't know why. Some people go, some people not. We had to go anyways. But it's very convenient. From Terminal 1, you just cross the street and you can arrive to Jewel directly like this one. And well, I just have one bag. Winnie have only her handbag. That's it. So let's explore a little bit Jewel before we're gonna go into transit zone and show you the Changi airport to the fullest today.
Wow, it's magical waterfall. This is, I think, the best man-made waterfall, which is, I think, 40 meters tall, and it is surrounded by the lush green garden. Well, basically, it's not as hot, but the temperature, super cool. Magical. Magical. Amazing. Actually, this is one of my biggest dream. Basically, I want to go to explore the Jewel, and then I want to see the waterfall. Like last time when we were, coming from the Vietnam, I didn't have opportunity to come, but today my dreams come true. Singapore has the world's tallest indoor waterfall called Rain Vortex. Singapore's Changi Airport has become a tourist attraction due to its indoor waterfall. The Rain Vortex is the tallest indoor waterfall in the world, which pumps 500,000 liters of water through the roof of the Jewel building. To illustrate, the indoor waterfall is 40 meters in height, and it is surrounded by a 4-story terrace forest.
And we actually got the moment when the water is stopped and it's like a fog. I think it's like, I don't know, every 1 hour, something like that. So it's super cool as well. Little different point of view. And we are on the 3rd or 4th floor, actually. I think it's 4th floor. So we have a perspective how the Jewel look like in general. So beautiful place. Sayang, are you happy as we came here?
Oh, thank you so much. This is my dreams come true, basically.
Alright, the current situation looks like this one, as we have still 2.5 hours for our flight. We are in Terminal 3. Actually, the bags has to check in on Terminal 1, but we're flying from Terminal 3. And now I'm uploading the video, but I want to try to show you a little bit of the airport itself. Up there is very nice food street, food court in general in the airport. with very affordable prices for the airport itself, and of course so many duty-free shops, delivery, perfumes, chocolates, and all of this stuff. 2 months ago, me and Winnie were here actually showing you Terminal 1 and Terminal 3, the swimming pool, the cinema, and everything. But on today's occasion, we focus more on the jewel itself and the Terminal 3. But if you'd like to watch the previous video, like literally maybe a month ago, you can still watch it. When you pass the immigration on Terminal 3, is very nice Louis Vuitton shop here with some gardens, orchid flowers, and all of this stuff. And more shops actually, but it's not as that busy on the transit zone already like it was outside. So I don't know, maybe all of these flights are more intercontinental flights or intercontinental flights or something like that. I think from Terminal 3 the most flights are actually going to different countries in Southeast Asia, in general region of Asia, rather than intercontinental flights, but I'm not sure because it's not as that busy as it actually used to be when we enter Terminal 1, that's for sure. Either way, if you're gonna explore Terminal 3, transit zone is huge. You can move between terminals if you have a transit, what we actually did last time, and so many options to eat, for having coffee, and well, even you can exchange the money or buy the SIM cards, and well, 360-degree looks like this one. A lot of options to do here. You can also buy yourself Rolex if you want, and of course duty free. But I'm coming to this Baka coffee since 1910, Marrakesh. This one actually looks very interesting. I want to show you inside. So this is the shop, and I'm gonna tell you, looks actually very beautiful inside. I hope so they don't mind, as I'm gonna show you a little bit, but I think they shouldn't mind. It's like a kinda endorsement for them, right, for free. But it's beautiful. If you enter here, the smell of the coffees and teas is unbelievable. So beautiful shop. Check this out. Isn't that beautiful for the airport? Wow, so cool. I think they make it beautiful, so many people are gonna make pictures and videos, including myself, right? But so cool, very cool. If you have a time, you can come a visit, and you can let me know about the smell here.
Okay, so our waiting here for how many hours, sayang? 2 hours actually. So this is how Damian's working. Life of digital nomad. Enjoy it.
Alright, we are off to Malaysia, to Kuala Lumpur. The same big plane, but only like 45 minutes flight. So next time up, see you in KL. Big yellow fella. Every Scoot plane have a name actually. Did you know that? Just landed in KL, guys. So happy to be here again.
Welcome to Kuala Lumpur.
Welcome to Kuala Lumpur. Okay, let's do the immigration and see you on the other side.
Okay, so we already bought SIM card. Now it's time to get to the hotel, honey.
Yeah, so we are going to the hotel in the city center, like always. So on the Grab, I will start again maybe, yeah. So we are going to Hilton Garden Inn South, which is like, yeah, so it's only one option to choose pick up from, and it's 65 ringgit, the same like it was in June when I was last time. It's 45 kilometers drive, by the way. It's pretty far. It's about 15 US dollars maybe. So let's grab the car and let's see. Yeah, okay.
Oh, so
Volkswagen Vento. Oh, I didn't drive a Volkswagen for a long time. In Malaysia, wherever you're taking the Grab or Gojek or anything Air Asia ride, you have to looking for this one. So they will stop door 5, not door 2, only door 5. Alright guys, so we arrived finally to the hotel. It's already almost 10 o'clock. We're staying in the hotel Hilton Garden Inn South, because this South and North just next to each other in case. This hotel room is for about $50 per night. We're staying here for a week, and then we are moving to condominium.
Okay, so basically this room only costs you around 50 US dollars and already included with a, what is it called, breakfast. So this is the breakfast situation. We will have a buffet breakfast. In the morning, nasi lemak, rice, chicken sausage, Western breakfast also. And also the swimming pool on the rooftop.
We're gonna stay in Malaysia for how long, sayang?
Around 3 weeks, and exploring Malaysia, and then looking for it is a good home for us later on in the future, because until now we are not sure yet where we're gonna be landed for for the home. And then for your information, after 3 weeks in Malaysia, we will move to Thailand. And then in Thailand, we will also stay for 1 month to see whether it is our home in the future or not.
And that's it. We don't know after that what we're gonna do, where we're gonna go, either another country or either we're gonna come back somewhere. We don't know. Anyways, another 3 weeks gonna be videos from Malaysia every single day. And well, I think we're gonna just quickly grab dinner and...
So we got hungry actually. And then we go to the McDonald. Closer one.
Wanna have it. Nasi lemak in Nasi lemak in McDonald's. Unbelievable. Okay.
And one Coke please for me.
Coke, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, good.
Nice. Medium one. Oh, nice.
With sambal,
Huh?
With sambal, yeah?
Yes.
Sambal in McDonald's. Unbelievable.
Oh my god.
Winnie is in heaven already. Heaven.
And I'll show you this one. Actually, what time is it, honey?
It's already 10:30 and only few McDonald's are open to midnight or 24/7. This one is good one. We don't want to go to Bukit Bintang. This one is closed.
Okay, so I'll show you around. And what I can say, quite busy. So basically, this McDonald open until 12 in the morning, and look at the queue is so long. And the thing is that there is also McCafe. So McDonald is the survival food whenever we are hungry at night time.
We are finishing with the reviewing the McDonald's in Malaysia. So all of this, what you see on the plate, is $7.50 US maybe. And this
30 ringgit, yeah?
33 ringgit, yeah. And this is like nasi lemak in McDonald's. Can you imagine? But looks very good, huh? And
I already love it.
and I have a quarter pounder with cheese. Long time I didn't have a quarter pounder and the curly fries. Okay, I will see you tomorrow, guys. Yeah.
Bye.
And this is next morning when we wake up and we wanted to, tidy up all of the gear. Messy, but the view from the room like this one. This is actually a very nice market. We have to go there. Well, mix between old and new KL city.